Hey everybody, so this weekend we were out driving and this is what my dash camera caught. If you look up this box trailer up ahead, see he's over over the white line here, and as we come up here traffic starts to slow down, and right here he changes lanes very abruptly and he almost hits this car right there. And then I noticed something wasn't right about what's going on here, him towing this trailer. So we get a little farther up. Let's see here. So once we get past these concrete barricades, you'll see that he's swerving back and forth. Let's get up a little farther in the video here. And the camera really didn't catch it, but I kind of caught it. It looks like he doesn't have the weight properly distributed in the trailer. So as we get up a little farther, yeah, he's over the yellow line, all over the place. Back over. I thought he was going to hit, another concrete barrier, but he pulled back over. Oh, let's see what else he does. He does a couple more things. So we get on up here a little farther. This car gets behind him. And now we get our lane back up here after the cones disappear. And this guy appears to be a little too close to him, too. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Here we go. So he tries to pass him, and there he goes again, taking up 2 lanes. It's like, why is he taking up 2 lanes? This guy's flashing his lights at him, and then finally, gets up around him. And I'm going, this guy's not driving very good. And the trailer's kind of swaying higher speed. So I started moving over because I wanted to get as far away from him as possible. And right here you can see that the Suburban that he's using is way down in the back and way up in the front. He's got way too much tongue weight. So when you have too much tongue weight like that, you take all the weight off your front wheels. So your steering becomes very light, and most of your braking is with your front wheels. So up a little farther, I turn the camera, you get a little bit better shot of how he's got the weight in that trailer distributed completely wrong. There's so much traffic, but this guy should have been in the right-hand lane with his emergency flashers on, going slow. He was just going way too fast for what he was towing. Here it is. Here he is again. See how low the rear end is sitting and how high the front end is? Yeah, I finally turned the camera over so you can see it. It's just way too much tongue weight. You should never, ever drive a trailer with a tongue weight like this. It makes the steering super light. It makes the handling terrible. And the faster you go, the worse it gets. Alright everybody, I'll just let you go ahead and finish watching the rest of the video. I don't think I get up to him any farther or any closer, so I turned the camera back. Luckily he didn't cause an accident, but yeah, you can't be doing that. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. If you want to finish the rest of the video, there's a couple more minutes left, and we'll talk to you all later.